Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration and differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to put this one go to the right. And we have negative e to the power of negative s. Next, we multiply both sides by ds. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one first. Next, we need to use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I need to put about s equals to shin t, because if I put this one gone here, you got about shin t square 1 plus shin t square, you got about cos t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about ds equals to cos t dt. So I need to put this one gone here. This one we change by this one. So this one we have cos t square. So this one we have cos t. Later that we simplify by cos t. The integration of dt, we have t and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equal to arc sin of s. So we need to change t into this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of dy, we have y. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. The integration of negative e to the power of negative s, we have positive e to the power of negative s, and we put about c. Now we have the conditions in here. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number e. So we put number 0 on here and here and here. About e, we put in here, so that we can find the value of c. So this one you got about number 1, this one you got about 0, 0. So we simplified and we got about c equals to e minus 1. Now we change c into this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.